Dahil dapat sa imo ano gwapa ko da ha.
Hindi, ano si Tito? Ano si Tito? Sige na, sige.
Hello mga kainday, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's vlog, welcome to Campuestuhan Highland Resort. Andito po kami ngayon sa Talisay City, Negros Occidental. Pagkapasok nyo pala dito sa gate mga kainday is may babayaran kayong 150 na entrance fee at saka 500 na cottage. Pero kung gusto nyo ng more details or info, or kung gusto nyo mapasyal dito, ito at ilalagay ko na lang yung Facebook page nila para direct na kayong mag-message.
Dahil dapat sa imo ano gwapa ko da ha. Andam ba ito?
Yung kinuha pala naming cottage is yung naka-umbrella at malapit lang sa may pool area nila para malapit lang sa mga bata. Ito nga at nagpe-prepare na kami ng breakfast. At after namin mag-breakfast ito at samahan nyo na yung mga inday mag-aura-aurahan. Let's go!
I just can't say no more procrastination. And today we've waited way too long. These dreams ain't getting younger. It's time to drown our doubts and let the sun feed our hunger. You'll be known as Pepper Lopez, and I'll be $5 Jack. We'll dip our toes into the ocean and never go back.
Naka 0.6 daw ano siya. Damo na ako. Daw ano wala mas laban niya kung oras.
Grab the cats, your sunglasses, toss your worries out the back. Leave our friends wondering where we went and if we're coming back. You'll be known as Pepper Lopez, and I'll be $5 Jack. We'll dip our toes into the ocean. We'll never go back. Never go back. Living our best life. No more worrying, no more strife. Chasing the winds round the island, big time smiling. Living our best life.
Mas streaming ka po. Mas streaming dito. Okay, lagi ka na mag-araw. Araw na yan. Araw na.
Living our best, living our best life. No more worrying, no more strife. Chasing the winds round the island, big time smiling. Living our best life.
Kaya din, pwede lang siya. Araw na yan.
Living our best
Dahil lang ang tato.
life.
May nasa tigit na tato ko na. Yo, panira ko.
Living our best life.
Say, dali ni Pay ka ni Say. Dali.
Living our best life.
Wala daw babalakay ka namin. Gawin. Dali lang. Dali lang. Dito ka dahil matabok o sa may bubbles. Yun na to sila ni ano. Nakita mo sila ni Gani.
Neon lights, fast dreams collide. Dancing shadows side by side. Steady pulses, beats collide. Lost together in the tide. Heartbeat and fly. Feel the spark and touch the sky. Let the music be our guide. Flashing lights, colors explode. Every step lightens our load. Feel the beat where stories are told. In this moment we unfold. Energy flows through our veins, breaking free from all the chains. In the darkness, nothing's plain. Every pulse feels the pain. Electric dreams take us high. Through the night we're gonna fly. Feel the
Dito to si Sai.
sky.
O, to si Sai. Awit yang nasa ikya, oh. Do ka. Manon ma.
Dreams take us high. Through the night we're gonna fly. Feel the spark and touch the sky. Be our guide.
Then, sige na Sai.
Hindi, ano si Tito? Ano si Tito?
Okay, bailang sa. Bailang sa.
Tara na. Ngayon siya ko na mayo. Oh,
Tagaan mo.
nasa ko nga.
Ara, butangin niya pala. Say, dali na pala sa.
Sige na, sige na.
That's all for today's vlog, guys. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow my YouTube channel. And also, please click the notification down below para ma-notify ka every upload ng mga bagong videos. Thank you and see you on my next one. Bye!